morning we will have a meeting about the Asian market.
Good morning to Queen. Okay, let's start our meeting now.
Suji, we've been thinking about expanding our business into the Southeast Asian market. It's a rapidly growing region with a strong demand for this solution. What do you think?
I completed the Greek Queen. Southeast Asia is a promising market, and we shall definitely explore it. However, we need to conduct thorough research before taking any steps.
I know there are challenges, but the potential for growth is high. We need to analyze market trends and consumer behavior before making any major decisions.
Our current product line is strong, but we may need to consider some methods to meet the presence of customer in different countries. Customization could be a key factor in our success.
Do you think our current product line is suitable for this market? Or should we consider modification based on cultural preferences and local demand?
Regarding pricing, we need to study the present power of customer in the region. Perhaps offering a premium model or trade pricing could help us attract more customers.
Also, pricing strategies will be crucial. We need to ensure that our product is affordable while maintaining profitability and innovation.
Competition is fierce, but we have a strong brand and innovative technology. We should highlight our adequate selling point and focus on quality and customer experience.
Another concern is competition. There are already stable companies in the region. How can we differentiate ourselves from them?
I agree that forming partnership with local business could be beneficial. We can leverage their knowledge and network to establish ourselves more quickly.
I believe forming local partnership might be a good strategy. It could help us navigate regulatory issues and gain customer trust faster.
Regulation will definitely be a challenge. We should also with legal experts who specialize in international business to excel for all compliance with local laws.
Speaking of regulation, we need to understand the legal framework in different countries. We don't want to face compliance issues down the road.
In terms of marketing, digital marketing shall be our primary focus on social media and commerce are booming in the region. Influencer marketing could also be effective.
Marketing will also increase, so we focus more on digital marketing. Or do you think traditional marketing methods will work better in this market?
Customer service is crucial. I think having a local support team will be ideal. But we can start with remote support and broadly expand the set on demand.
Customer service is another critical factor. So we set up a local support team, or do you think remote support will be sufficient?
We also need to think about logistics and distribution channels, so we work with third-party providers. Or will it be better to set up our own distribution network?
Overall, I'm excited about this opportunity. If we do our research and plan carefully, I believe we can successfully enter this market and grow our business.
I'm excited too. If we develop a solid strategy and execute it well, I believe the expansion will take our company to the next level. Let's start working on a detailed market and trade plan.